Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Google Keeps account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Google Keeps account, firstly go ahead and open up your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in keep.google.com and make a search. On the next page, enter your email address or phone number and tap on Next. Type in a password associated with your Google Keeps account and tap on Next. Click on Show Password option to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. You will be logged into your Google Keeps account in no time. This is how you can log into your Google Keeps account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.